Hello students, I am Dr. S. Edilan, Principal, also Professor of English. I welcome one and all to this section. Today I am going to present a section on Foundation English Paper 1. First year students have 6 semesters. In all these 6 semesters, you are going to study your core subjects, allied subjects. Along with these two core and allied subjects, you are going to have 2 papers in 2 languages, namely English and Tamil. This Foundation English 1 you are going to have for this first year, first semester. Why do we say Foundation English? When you want to construct a building, people, they would like to construct a building with a strong foundation. That means that building will have to be there for number of years. For a century, that building will have to be there strongly. So when you want to learn any languages, especially English, you need to learn some basic things. If you know how to speak grammatically, if you know how to write perfectly, then people will recognize and they will appreciate you. So, BA, BSc, BCom students are going to learn this Foundation English 1 for the current first semester. In this Foundation English, there are 4 modules. And the first module is framed based on your communication skills. When one wants to communicate effectively, if they learn all these modules, all these topics, then definitely they speak well, they write well, they present English in correct way. So we are going to see Foundation English first module. There are 4 units in this module 1. In unit 1, there are 4 topics. First topic, introducing yourself. How do you introduce yourself? For example, I am Dr. S. Edilan, Principal, Jayam Arts and Science College, and so on. And second one, introducing yourself to a stranger. Stranger, here, new person. If it is a known person, you start with your communication, how are you? If it is a stranger, new person, then we cannot ask, how are you? Instead, we ask, how do you do? So second part, how do you introduce to a stranger? And third part, comprehension. This one, 10th standard and your plus 2, you have this comprehension part. How do you comprehend? You'll have to read a paragraph and you'll have to find the questions as well as answers. That is meaning of the word or any explanation if they require, you'll have to search, you'll have to read again and again, and you'll have to write the answer. That is comprehension. And the fourth part, tongue twisters. In English, it's a peculiar language. How do you have your tongue? How do you use your tongue? For example, we have knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. Whereas, where first letter K, whereas we pronounce it as knife. K is a silent. Sometimes comb, C-O-M-B. There, B is silent. So when you want to construct a sentence, there are some words that repeatedly give you in a different way. So that we are going to see well in detail when I teach this one. So in module 1, first unit, there are 4 things: introducing yourself to a stranger, comprehension, tongue twister. And the second unit, same communication skills only, whereas introducing someone else. How do you introduce your friend, your parents, your friends to somebody? For example, let me introduce my colleague, Dr. Tamidarasu, HOD of Physics, and he is working for a physics department for the last 3 years as a HOD. Like that, you'll have to introduce someone. And leave taking and leaving politely. How do you leave? You are in a conversation. All of a sudden, you would like to break the conversation. You would like to go somewhere. How do you leave? How do you leave politely? Excuse me, can I go? I would like to attend an important meeting. Shall I leave? Can I go? Shall we see later? Like that, you'll have to ask permission, like politely. And the third part, again, comprehension. This comprehension may be paragraph or poem or conversation. Conversation also, we may have some questions. We need to understand about the conversation, and we'll have to respond the questions. Like that, that may vary. Unit to unit, that may vary. And last one, brain teasers in English. So they would like to raise some extraordinary questions, brain teasers. So as of now, we come across unit 1, unit 2. Now we shall proceed to unit 3. Unit 3 also communication skills, whereas we have 4 topics. First one, saying please, thank you, and sorry. These are all courtesy. When you want to ask any help from others, then we say, please help me. Please open the door. Please close the door. And if they did anything, then we'll have to thank them. How do you thank? Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And I am very grateful. Like that, we'll have to say, please, thank you. And sometimes we ask sorry also. When we commit any mistake out of our knowledge, we ask sorry. Sorry, madam, I will submit without fail tomorrow. So how do you ask please, thank you, and sorry? These are all courtesy that we will see later. A second one, responding to thanks and apologies. If someone is thanking, how do you respond? If they say thank you, then welcome, welcome madam, most welcome, welcome sir, welcome doctor, welcome professor. And apologies, it's okay, that's okay. If they ask sorry, excuse me, I'm so sorry, then you can respond them, you can tell them, it's okay ma'am, that's okay sir, it's not at all, okay. Like that we can say. And third one, here also we have comprehension, maybe picture comprehension, paragraph comprehension, poem comprehension, or conversation comprehension. So that unit by unit, that may vary. And last one, again, there in the unit 3 also they are given, and the second level, tongue twisters. Then next unit 4, here also communication skills. There are 4 topics. First one, daily activities. When you want to move with your friends or librarian or a canteen, how do you move them? When you want to lend a book, how do you approach the librarian? For example, sir, I would like to take a book on Foundation English 1. Would it possible to help me to reach that exact table or exact bureau, exact cupboard? Like that we can ask. And the second one, giving information about yourself and asking for information. So when you want to chat with anybody, then you'll have to pass on some information. And if you want any information, how do you approach? How do you approach? For example, you want to book a ticket. You don't know how to book. Then you'll have to approach the ticket counter, helpers, gates, then they will tell you, you should go straight and keep right side. Then you have a counter. There you approach third counter. There you, how do you ask? So you can get all the information. If you go there, can I get a ticket for Coimbatore? Day after tomorrow, do you have 2 seats, ma'am? First class, second class, like that you can get some information. Here also third comprehension, brain teasers in English. And you have one more unit in module, one more unit 5, same communication skills. Here, first topic, general knowledge. Know your country, state. What's the headquarter of India? What's the headquarter of Tamil Nadu? And so many details you can ask others, or you can say about our country, you can say about our state or tourism, and all other details can be provided in this communication topic. And the second one, neighbors. Not only country, not only state, neighbors also you can ask. For example, Kerala. And second one, comprehension. Third one, time teaser. So as of now, we saw module 1. There are 5 units. All the units about our communication skills. So when I teach well in detail, you come to know how do you listen, how do you learn, how do you present or speech or any other thing. Thank you so much. We shall continue module 2 after some time. Thank you.